Are you looking for a SaaS, marketing, app preview page or any type of SaaS website for your business? Or, an agency, blog, CMS, or SaaS landing page website for your business? Introducing GrowthFlow TNC, the best Webflow SaaS agency template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.themencode.com. Here, you need to search GrowthFlow TNC. Take a look at our GrowthFlow TNC template is listed. Here, you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of GrowthFlow TNC. GrowthFlow TNC is a SaaS template, specially designed to improve your agency website. Its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and powerful features attract your audience. It includes animations and sliders that add a touch of elegance to your website. GrowthFlow TNC is compatible with various web browsers and screen sizes and ensures the website looks and works well on different devices. You will find pricing table with nice toggle options. GrowthFlow TNC has a powerful CMS functionality that enables easy creation, modification, and management of website content. This template has dedicated sections to showcase your range of services. It ensures lead generation forms for your website to capture the information of potential clients. You can showcase your blog perfectly to attract more visitors. Present your services with a professional, high-quality website that showcases your expertise and impresses your customers. You can easily customize the template to meet the unique needs of your organization. Now, let's see how to use GrowthFlow TNC. This is our template, GrowthFlow TNC. Here you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable options. Have a look. Here you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now let's customize the nav menu. For this, I need to double tap on navbar and select the nav link what I want to change. Here, I replaced this nav link name from Services with our home. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection or URL. Then, you can easily change this hero image by clicking on the Replace Image option. After that, you can easily customize or change this hero heading text. Here, I just select the text and replaced it with, Welcome to Theme Encode LLC. Then, I also rewrite this subtitle too. You can see how easy it is to customize this template. You can easily change, edit, add, or delete any text or images in this template. Just select the element and do whatever you want. Let's customize this button. Here, I select the button and it shows all the options for edit this button. Have a look. Here I changed this button name from Sign up for free trial to click here. You can also change the button link, preload, page connection, open type or URL. Here, you will find our blog section. All of these are coming from CMS items. If you want to change, edit, add, or delete any of these content or any other CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS items management, click the I button of this video, or I will attach the video link in the description box. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph. After that, you can edit or change each social link or icon. So you can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template as for your requirements and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow SaaS agency template, get GrowthFlow TNC. And if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themencode.com.